Hey, what's up, YouTube? And if you're here today to learn more about the 10x income system, today I'm going to give you guys a full review. I have a shorter review video, but I want to give you guys a full review video today so you guys know exactly what this program is and what you get inside once you join the program. But the 10x income system is a program that has been helping a lot of people online make their first $1,000 day. Some people make their first $500 day, and I've seen people make their first 20K week within this program. It's a very new program, which means it's not saturated. So if you're looking to join or if you're just doing your research, this is an absolute great program for you to join because it's plain and simple. They make it very easy for you to start making money online. And the main offer is this web page here, where you're going to see a free video that reveals a 3-step method that helps you get unlimited $297 payments. So if you're interested in seeing that free video, I have a link in the description. But to continue watching this video, I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, this is 100% autopilot system. So it basically requires no work. There's no complicated setup. It doesn't require you to have any experience, or you don't have to wait for results. And that's the main thing. When you spend money to join programs, or if you're trying to start an online business, you don't want to have to wait for results. When you join this program, you're going to get results ASAP. And the best thing about it is it's autopilot. So the traffic that they send is autopilot. But to break this system down, there's 3 steps inside this program that you're going to learn. And the first thing is how to find an offer. If you're just getting started online, this breaks it down plain and simple. How to find an offer. The next thing is how to build out your system to your offer. So once you find your offer and you decided that's something that you want to promote or a product that you want to sell, you're going to build a system around that involves email marketing and driving traffic to a landing page, building that landing page, and everything like that. But once you found your offer and then you have your system built out, basically your business built out, then your next step that you're going to want to worry about is traffic. And traffic can be Facebook ads, it can be free traffic, it can be organic traffic, blogs, SEO, whatever traffic method there is. But that's all a part of the successful business. And with the 10x income system business, all of that is taken care of. You don't need to find a product. You have a product. You don't need to build a system. The system is built, done for you. And you don't have to find traffic because the traffic is given to you. It's proven traffic ran through Google Ads. So, no, you're not getting wasted email leads from some solo ads provider. You're getting people that are ready to buy, people that are ready to send you money. That's the best thing about this program. And if you scroll down, as you can see, Tavi D is the creator of this wonderful program. Thanks to her. And as you can see, she's been seen on plenty of news publications such as NBC, CBS, ABC, CW, and a lot more. So her credibility is up there, and she's been around for a minute. So if you guys want to find out this 3-step method and how to implement it into your life so you can start making money, I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can review that video. But to break this down, the simple steps in this whole system is first to buy the system. It's an investment, but the price is going to go up. So if I was you guys, buy the system. There'll be a link in the description. And then once you get the system, you want to activate the system. And there's simple steps that you will have to follow inside, which I'm going to show you next, of how to set up the system and what it inquires. But it doesn't require a lot of experience. You don't have to have a lot of technical knowledge to do this. It's just really simple and easy for you to do. But if you go down to step 3, it's the most wonderful thing of all, is those paydays. You sit back and relax and you collect those payments. I mean, it sounds crazy, but it's literally happening to a lot of people. People that are in a 10x income system Facebook group are literally sitting back collecting commissions, making money because this system is so proven to work. It's crazy. And the crazy part is none of these people have experience of running traffic. None of these people have experience of being an internet marketer. They're just getting started. They want to build their online business. They want that financial freedom to quit their job, their 9 to 5. And some people, they just been home so long, they don't want to go back to a 9 to 5 because they want to work for themselves. They want to take control of their lives and become a boss. So they join this program, a proven system that they just have to follow step by step, that is so easy, and collect their income, collect those commissions. But the next thing we're going to do today is we're going to dive into the back office of this program so you guys can see exactly what you're getting, and you're basically paying for the system and it works. So if we go over to here, this is the back office of the program. If you go to the home screen, this is what it would look like. But there's simple steps you have to follow, and it's step by step. So first step, how to set up your 10x income system. Then you want to set up your payment methods. Stripe and PayPal is the two things you can get paid. Stripe, you get paid straight to your bank account. PayPal is straight to your PayPal account. From there, you want to order your 10x income system. It says order, but once you have this, you already technically pay for it. You're basically getting your affiliate link. And your affiliate link is what you're using to promote this program, which is the same exact page that you saw right here. And it's going to be your own personal affiliate link made for you. And then the next thing is going to be is your traffic suite. Your traffic suite is what you want to go to once you have this system set up and once you are ready to go rocking and rolling. The traffic suite is where you're going to see that you can buy different traffic plans for your system. The reason why you want to buy these traffic plans is because you don't want to have to sit there and run Facebook ads. You don't want to have to reach out to friends and family to get them to join a program or anything like that. You don't want to have to spam your link in Facebook groups and stuff like that. This system makes it easy. So all you have to do is go right here. You click on links. And as you can see, there's different traffic packages that you can pick: 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 visitors to your link. So that's why I said you sit back and collect commissions, because you come here, you set up your system, you come to your traffic suite, you buy 10,000 visitors, and you send those 10,000 visitors to your link. And then once you send those visitors, a lot of them will convert. And the people who don't, you add them to your email list and you do email follow-up sequences to close them and make sure you get paid off of all of your traffic. And also, as you can see, there is some free traffic strategy bonuses. So if you go into that, they'll give you a free bonus just for doing this. So if you don't have money, a lot of money to start to buy the traffic, they'll show you a free traffic method so you can make sure you get your return on investment and making a lot more money. And then the last thing they offer is the Facebook group. The Facebook group is what I was telling you guys about. There's a lot of people in there making money. I seen $20,000 paydays. I seen 10,000, 5,000, 500 people making money in their first day. It's simple and it's crazy. Like, if you guys want to join this program, I highly suggest it if you're just getting started online. If you don't have any idea what you want to do online or any kind of online business, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can join this program and start making some money online. But I want you guys to hit that like button. And just by hitting that like button, you'll be able to take your life to another level. And I say that because you're engaging with my content, which is going to make me make more content for you, where I'm making free videos to show you exactly how you can make some money online. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back with another video for you guys. 10x income system is something you guys should join. Go ahead and join today. The link is in the description.